Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. Cavitation ultrasonic machines have emerged as revolutionary tools in the realm of non-invasive cosmetic procedures and therapeutic treatments. Utilizing high-frequency ultrasound waves, these devices generate a phenomenon known as cavitation, wherein microscopic bubbles implode within targeted tissues, leading to various beneficial effects. From fat reduction and cellulite reduction to skin tightening and body contouring, cavitation ultrasonic machines offer versatile solutions for individuals seeking aesthetic enhancements without resorting to surgery or invasive procedures. Number 5. Meisikang MSK001. The Meisikang MSK001 Body Facial Massager is a versatile device designed to provide relaxation and rejuvenation for both the body and face. As someone who values self-care and wellness, I was excited to try out this product and see how it could enhance my daily routine. First and foremost, I appreciated the sleek and compact design of the MSK001. Its ergonomic shape fits comfortably in the hand, making it easy to maneuver and use on various parts of the body. The ABS material used in its construction feels durable and of high quality, ensuring longevity with regular use. Number 4. Kuanyew GY-FAT-L04. The GY-FAT-L04 boasts a sleek and ergonomic design, making it comfortable to hold and easy to maneuver across the skin. Crafted from high-quality ABS and TPR materials, it feels durable and sturdy in hand, ensuring long-lasting performance. The compact size adds to its convenience, allowing users to carry it with ease wherever they go. This multifunctional device is equipped with an array of features tailored to address common skincare concerns. With functions such as anti-wrinkle treatment, skin rejuvenation, tightening, and facial cleansing, it offers a comprehensive solution for achieving healthier and more radiant skin. The incorporation of multipolar radio frequency technology ensures deep penetration and effective results, while the inclusion of cavitation, ultrasonic, and RF further enhances its versatility. Number 3. Beautyhuolian MSK001PLUS. As someone who values self-care and well-being, I was eager to try out the Beautyhuolian MSK001PLUS, a versatile device promising various benefits like body shaping, skin tightening, lifting, weight loss, and fat burning. After incorporating it into my routine for several weeks, I'm thrilled to share my experience with this innovative product. First and foremost, the design of the Beautyhuolian MSK001PLUS is sleek and ergonomic, making it comfortable to hold and easy to maneuver around different areas of the body. The medium-sized device feels sturdy and well-built, instilling confidence in its effectiveness. Number 2. VASMOT 40K4in1 Cavitation Ultrasonic Body Slimming Machine. In the quest for achieving a sculpted and toned physique, VASMOT presents its revolutionary 4-in-1 weight loss beauty machine, designed to redefine your body contouring experience. Boasting cutting-edge technology and innovative features, this device is set to become your go-to solution for effective body slimming and beauty enhancement. Harnessing the power of ultrasonic cavitation at a working frequency of 40 kHz, the VASMOT 4-in-1 beauty machine penetrates deep into stubborn fat layers, breaking down fat cells and aiding in their elimination from the body. This non-invasive approach to fat reduction ensures visible results without the need for surgery or downtime, making it a safe and convenient option for individuals seeking to reshape their bodies. Number 1. Kuanyew GY-FAT-L04. Firstly, let's talk about its design and build quality. The device is compact and lightweight, making it easy to handle and store. The materials used, ABS and TPR, feel durable and of high quality, ensuring longevity with regular use. Its small size also means it's convenient for travel, allowing you to maintain your skincare regimen wherever you go. Now onto the performance. The GY-FAT-L04 boasts a range of features including ultrasonic cavitation, radio frequency, vacuum negative pressure, massage slimming and shaping, anti-wrinkle, skin whitening, and cellulite burning. Quite the impressive list. I was particularly intrigued by the ultrasonic cavitation and radio frequency functions, as they are known for their effectiveness in skin tightening and fat reduction. Thanks for watching this video.